Listen. We hear some people out the road with a bag of talk, and them have a lot to say. For those who thought that the People's National Party was not ready to refocus, to re-energize, to shake things up, I want you to look for your neighbor and tell them that the devil is a liar. No man, talk a little louder, because some of the devils are watching us. The devil is a liar. Not only are the young people ready to put ourselves up for leadership and to support the existing structures within the party, but truth be told, the delegates have proven that they are ready to do things differently. The comrades have proven on the ground that we are ready to do things differently. And as long as there is room for young people to have a voice, we not stop talk. This is the only party that continues to regenerate itself year after year after year. When Jamaicans said that they needed to see a black prime minister, we gave them a black prime minister. When Jamaicans said that it was time for them to see women in leadership, we gave them a female prime minister. Now Jamaicans said they want young people to lead, and we are giving you youth in leadership. This is the party that is listening to the call of the nation, and we continue to reshape and reframe and to recharge to make sure that we are ready when the trumpet sounds to deliver another victory and to be returned to lead this country. It is not enough for us to say that we want Jamaicans to live. We want them to live with dignity. You can't have a Jamaican woman working 40 hours a week and have to borrow and beg and thief to pay her bills. That is not dignity. So you're not going to pay her a minimum wage. You're going to pay her the wage that she needs to live. It is not enough for people to be waking up to the smell of garbage and vultures flying around them house, children waking up with asthma attack because of Riverton dump. That's not living with dignity. It is the job of the People's National Party to make sure that Jamaicans don't just live, comrades, but we live with dignity. So when you go back into the homes this evening, we know that the vibes are going nice and everybody's going to be excited to talk about this conference. But I want you to remember what the call always is for the PNP. They don't just want us to lead, they want us to serve and deliver for them a life of dignity. Comrades, the word is love.
I know everybody has a life.